All right, y'all, we're here at the potted garden. This is what I'm calling my potted garden. And look at the green beans. They have finally popped up into the pots and are sprouting over. Now, here's all our flowers, and they're doing wonderful. But look at this. We have dill that has finally come up. Don't have any parsley yet. We have some thyme that has sprouted, and we don't have any chives yet. These are our chives, nothing there. Don't see any sage. Don't see any cilantro. Here's short carrots. Look at this. Here's some short carrots. Look at the little bitty carrots down here. Okay, now these are going to be kind of close, but look at those. Oh, I'm so excited. I love carrots. And here's what our beans look like about 2 days ago, and now look at them. Here's what they look like. And this is another round of green beans. I am so excited. And here's another pot that still has one that's trying to peek through. Yeah, look at those. Awesomeness.